Coming up, stuff.
I'm sitting over here now!
Techspresso.
Hello and welcome, our ones of viewers. Steve. We're not going to name names. Okay, yeah, you're right. We shouldn't name Steve's name. Steve. What's up? Anyway, so we got some exciting news I think you're going to talk badly about.
Yeah. We are right now featured on the front page of the Miro Guide, which is basically the start page of Miro, a free and awesome podcast downloading program where you can find all kinds of awesome new podcasts.
And where can you find Miro?
Miro.something.
GetMiro.com, you say? You know, it's great that we're on there. Getting some views, and it's great that people can link back to our awesome blog that we have up now.
Bring some people to our website. You haven't checked our blog in a while?
Oh. Did you take our server? It's not found.
I paid good money for that hosting.
We paid $0 for that. $0 of our hard-earned money.
You told me you paid a lot of money for it. It sounded so professional, too. Freespace.net?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
We can't go wrong with that. Let's see what's going on here.
Let's check out what the official statement is.
I read somewhere here that bdude7, who locks over the site, is away at college, so don't know when we will get a reboot.
Oh.
All right. That was
so
a
bdude.
very professional memorandum of service denial. So yeah, freespace.net, terrible host. Do not use it. Especially when you don't pay for it.
Exactly. But I'm sure bdude7 is learning how to reset the server at college.
Yeah, he's in button pressing 101.
Yeah.
At Terrible University.
TU. They're
Yeah.
pretty good. These are pretty good.
Indeed they are.
Mm-hmm. You know what else is good?
What?
Having your own website.
This is true.
You know what's not good?
Not having your own website?
Close. But our web host is awful. Our site's been down for over a week, so we're doing research to find a new web host. We have two choices that we're trying to decide between. First of all, I like greengeeks.com because it's only $7 a month. They have 99.99% uptime. And the best part is they're good for the environment. They run on 300% wind power, which means for every watt of electricity you use, they pay for 2 more just to cover, other people's carbon footprint, which is pretty awesome. But Sean likes squarespace.com because he's eating a moon pie and he can't talk about it. But anyways, you don't have to code a single line. You can edit your site completely in the web browser. They have a wonderful web page import tool to, copy your blog over there. And that's $8 a month.
They have an iPhone app too.
Yeah, they do have an iPhone app, so you can actually update and change your page from anywhere. But back to the moon pies, which are way better. Well, yeah, because you weren't talking. You were just sitting there eating the whole time.
I didn't know I had to talk. I thought I was just here to eat moon pies. This was in my contract.
Hi, welcome to Tech.
Can I get a grande, half calf, half skim, half soy, no whip mocha latte, with a pinch of cinnamon, just a pinch. Is it ready yet?
Right away.
I have important things to do because I order complicated coffee.
Yeah, right away. Hey, that's $8.
What a dick. Hello and welcome to Tech Bucks.
One coffee, please.
Here you go.
How much?
Nothing. You're nice. Yay! Yay! And now's the time on Techspresso when we dance. I need a black turtleneck. My name's Sean, and I'm here to talk to you about WordPress. Now, when you're talking about WordPress, there's two different things. There's the website wordpress.com, which allows you to sign up and do your own free blog. Or there's the actual standalone WordPress program, which I'm going to talk to you about today. So the standalone version of WordPress gives you all the features and benefits, like all the cool widgets and stuff from the wordpress.com blog, except it's on your own dedicated hosting. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to wordpress.org/download to download a copy of the WordPress software. Then, after that, they have a famous 5-minute install. I don't know who thought it was famous. Maybe Colonel Sanders. He's famous. Famous install. That's logical, right? Okay, moving on. Basically, you can just follow that, and it really, when I did it, it took 5 minutes. So I'm going to do it right now. Less than 5 minutes. Editing.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is download the WordPress package and unzip it with your favorite unzipping program. Next, you're going to create a MySQL database on your server. I'm using phpMyAdmin on mine. I'm just going to call it WordPress. Click Create. Now, in the Privileges tab, you're going to create a new user for the database. So put in the username. I'm going to name mine Sean. And then for the host, put in localhost. And then put in whatever you want the password for the account for the password. Once you get the password typed in, any of the other checkboxes or radio boxes on there can just be left as they are, and click Go to create the account. Once the account is created, you're going to go to your WordPress folder and find the wp-config sample file and change it to just wp-config, and then open it up with a text editor. Now in the text editor, you're going to put in all the information for your install, the database name, which is WordPress, and then the username for the database, which is Sean, and then you type in your password. I'm just going to put stars here, but you'd actually type in your password. The final steps are to copy the entire WordPress folder to the correct location on your web server, usually some sort of www or HTML folder, and then start the install by going to your website's domain /wp-admin/install.php to start the actual install.
Now that was easy, wasn't it?
We got quite a space down here.
Who are you?
Yeah, with the guys. Listen, I have a couple questions about that WordPress thing you're talking about. I was watching a live stream.
Oh, alright, so you're a fan, eh?
Yeah, not a rapist or anything.
Alright, well, yeah, sure, I'll answer some questions. What do you got?
So I have all my information that I want to put onto my WordPress account, but I want to edit it locally before I do that.
Oh, really? Well, you know what? You got a Mac. That's great, because there's this program called MAMP.
That sounds like a cool thing.
I know, that's so MAMP. Anyway, that stands for Mac Apache MySQL PHP, which, if you didn't know, were all the requirements to set up a local WordPress installation.
I did not know that.
Well, now you do.
Thank you.
So that's all you need. You start out the program, and it works. There's instructions for installing WordPress locally with MAMP online.
Well, that's great. I'm just going to go upstairs and finish cooking a stew. See ya!
And that's it for this episode.
No, something's wrong.
What's wrong?
No, we're on the wrong sides.
Wrong sides of what?
I stand over there, you stand over here.
Does it really matter?
Yes, it does.
Why?
Because I stand over there.
Why?
I need to stand over there.
Can't we just finish?
That is my side. No,
You're ridiculous. Well, let's start over.
we just need to.
No, we can start a new...
No, it's fine. I got this.
This isn't gonna... This doesn't make us look very professional.
Yeah, this doesn't make us look professional.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh, right.
We should probably just switch spots like that all the time.
Or you could just never stand over here ever again.
You can become a fan of us on Facebook
Yes, you can.
at facebook.com/Techspresso.
Or you can find us on Twitter at Techspresso, or eventually our blog will probably be up sometime. Never.
Someday, if we ever pick a host.
Yeah.
And best of all, subscribe to us on Miro at getmiro.com, the best podcast program thingy.
Program thingy, indeed. That's what it is.
Yes, it's exactly what it is.
That's the perfect description.
Well, thank you, Moon Pies.
Ah, yes.
And we're done.
Yep.